Hi, my name is Sarah Peterson and welcome to my English 2 Honors Classroom. Just a little bit of information about myself. This is my 9th year teaching and my 6th year teaching at Blythewood. I'm really excited for this school year. I know it'll be a little bit different, but hopefully we will all make it through this together. So the best place to go for a lot of information is going to be my website or Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you my website first. On the home page of my website, you can scroll all the way down and get our bell schedule. I teach English 2 Honors during 5th and 6th period, so that's when our Google Meet will be happening. If you scroll to the English 2 Honors tab, you get a lot of information. You get the collections textbook and how to get there. You'll get both of our syllabi as well as the lesson plans. You can click here for the link to this week, or you can click through like a normal PowerPoint. Most everything is going to be linked on those lesson plans. Most work will get turned in on Google Classroom, but the rest of it will be described how to get turned in on the lesson plans. Speaking of Google Classroom, just to show you 5th period, the Meet is at the top. It's the same with 6th period. And the easiest place to go look for assignments is going to be under classwork, because it's organized in a more chronological and unit-based fashion rather than the stream that is just chronological. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Tutoring is going to be by request. We can do it during ITL in the morning or in the afternoon. Just make sure you talk to me about it in advance. I am working from home with a toddler and a dog, so you may hear them as well on our videos. I'm excited about this school year, and I hope that you are too. Thanks. Nice to meet you.